Preparations are finalized for the 2024 Lok Sabha election vote count in Meghalaya, which will commence tomorrow at 8 a.m. Chief Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya, D.P. Wahlang, accompanied by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi District and Chief Returning Officer S.C. Sadhu, Chief Electoral Officer Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari, and other officials from the Election Department and the Meghalaya Police inspected the venue today to ensure all arrangements are in place. Meghalaya Chief Secretary D.P. Wahlang expressed satisfaction with the preparations and optimism for a smooth process.
Yeah, we are satisfied after looking at all the processes adopted by the returning officer, and I'm sure that the counting will be conducted effectively tomorrow starting at 8 o'clock in the morning.
What security measures are?
Security measures are adequate. I've just had a discussion with the SB of the district, and adequate quantum of force has been placed here, so we are satisfied with the arrangements.
Chief Electoral Officer Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari lauded all efforts made towards the arrangements at all 13 counting centres across the state, highlighting the effective implementation of necessary measures by district authorities despite challenges.
All the needful security arrangement already been assessed by the concerned district authorities and sub-divisional authorities, and needful arrangement already placed in. Basically, counting will start in the RO counting centers by 8 a.m. in the morning, and at the RO's counting centers in Silang and Tura, the counting of EVM will start by 8:30, and in other centers it will be morning by 8. So data flow and all other arrangement already well in place, and all the needful arrangement also have been done. So we are hopeful very soon, once the counting process will be over, after following the due procedure, ROs will declare them.
So by 10?
I can't predict. Yes, all the needful arrangements, since you see there is a challenge especially in the Silang, but all the makeshift and temporary arrangement with all the needful security measures already in place, and it is like a tradition earlier also happened in same kind of venues, and team is quite well versed, and the arrangement they made, it is as per the instruction of the ECI, and very nice arrangement has been done for the each and every aspect.
You are saying about the challenge. What is the challenge?
Means we are not having the permanent counting venue like so we have to make the temporary building and other arrangements. So rain, you are also seeing this is a bit challenge, but even though we have seen and all the arrangement made by the team of the DO East RO Silang, DO East Khasi Hill and his team, so it is a good arrangement in all aspects they have made, and we are quite satisfied and very hopeful the counting process will also go in very pretty much.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills and Chief Returning Officer S.C. Sadhu reported that around 500 security personnel, including members of the Central Armed Police Forces or the CAPF and the State Police, have been deployed to secure the premises.
So in fact, for counting, all arrangements have been made to ensure that counting is done efficiently and in a transparent manner, involving all political parties. And for law and order, we have made elaborate arrangements in terms of in ensuring that no unauthorized person enters into this entire premises of the counting. And though we have relaxed the provisions of this initial order for 144 with respect to rally set portions, all other provisions of that order are still intact. That is in the premises, that is still in force, to ensure that no forces or no person or groups disturb the counting process.
So why was it lifted in the list?
So because we have consulted after issuing of the order many stakeholders, including the political parties and some other NGOs and traditional heads. They have given representation. They have approached us that it will to appeal to us to relax that particular provision of 144 for rallies and processions. And we, after discussing with all of them, we thought that we will relax to that extent, and at the same time we also appeal through them to ensure that this victory processions and rallies should not turn out to be some law and order disturbance rallies, and they should, these political parties and all political parties and candidates, they have assured us that they will take enough measures from their side to ensure that no untoward incident happens during their rallies. So again, for security, there is, as per ECA protocol, 3-layer security is already arranged here. So inner layer is manned by CAPF and outer layers will be by the state police. And the outer layer, from outer layer, it won't be, it will be no vehicle zone. Only vehicles should not be entered in that 3-layer security area. Only vehicles with passes only will be allowed within this area.
If the section is removed, is there any particular instruction during procession, victory procession?
Yes, in when we consulted the political parties and the contesting candidates, so the instructions would be that they have to give in advance to us in terms of what route they are going to take for these processions, and they have to deploy enough volunteers from their side.